हुआ था? जॉब वगैरह नहीं कर रहे थे फिर?
नहीं नहीं नहीं।
अच्छा, अभी पास आउट हो गए
हाँ अभी अब।
और कंटिन्यू कर लिया फिर?
हाँ हाँ।
ओके। और इधर का क्या एक्सपीरियंस है अभी?
इधर तो मैंने ज्वाइन तो पहले किया था, अटेंड नहीं किया सेशन, थोड़ा कॉलेज के वर्क में बिजी था।
ओके ओके ओके। प्रोजेक्ट्स वगैरह सेकेंड ईयर चल रहा होगा ना आपका?
हाँ सेकंड ईयर से।
अच्छा अच्छा, प्रैक्टिस करो, टाइम होगा तो आपको।
हाँ टाइम मिल रहा है अब।
भाई जॉब नहीं है तो फिर टाइम होगा, हम
हम्म।
क्या, जॉब वालों को थोड़ा सा दिक्कत आ जाता है।
हाँ इधर।
तो क्या अभी आपके लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी अच्छी है? लास्ट ईयर रहेगा तो तुरंत हो जाएगा आपका प्लेसमेंट।
हम्म।
गुड आफ्टरनून सर, गुड इवनिंग सर।
गुड इवनिंग
गुड
सर।
इवनिंग सर। नहीं, आज अच्छा है, इधर क्लियर है। इस दिन थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था। नहीं, आज क्लियर है।
क्लियर है सर।
उसको छुट्टी लेना होगा हेडसेट। सर वो अपना लास्ट वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं क्या? क्या क्या? और कॉपी की स्टेप है ना, नोट डाउन नहीं किया था मैंने थोड़े। हुआ है क्या, है क्या वो? मैं दिख रहा था वो मुझे, ठीक है, देखता हूँ मैं फिर से एक बार कैसे। अभी मैं पेंडिंग वाले वीडियो देख रहा हूँ ना, तो करंट वाला एक ही बार देखा था, दिखा नहीं मुझे। देखता हूँ फिर से। पेंडिंग ही चल रहा है अभी भी।
Good evening, sir. How are you, sir? Good, sir. नहीं रिज्यूम फॉरवर्ड किया था, कुछ रिप्लाई नहीं है।
यस सर। सर सर अभी तो राजा का क्लियर होगा, उसके बाद गणेश का होगा। मैंने राजा का बात हुआ है, उसका कंफर्म हो गया है, उसके बाद गणेश का।
Shall we start? Yes. Where is Nilay, Deepak? Hello, Suyuk. Good evening. How are you? ओके, इतने दिन कहाँ पे थे सुयोग? ज्वाइन नहीं कर रहे थे आप? क्यों? एनी इशू? मेडिकल इशू? सॉरी। हम्म। ओके, सो अभी ओके, और अभी कंटिन्यू करने वाले हो? ओके, और आकाश का क्या है? हम्म। Okay, no issue. So, yes. Hello, Jayant, Raja, Ashok, good evening. Good evening. So, from today, we will start our new project, Backrest Foam. Beginners कहाँ गए? Yes, Jayant, yes. Hmm. Assemb okay. Assembly drafting. Just a minute. Assembly drafting. Means you want to do a drawing, you want to create a drawing for an assembly, yes, Jayant? And you want to show design for assembly, the sections and the exploded view, each and everything. Hmm. Oh, side mirror. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Exploded view. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. See, in assembly drawing, it is very simple. You have to take a product. If this is your sheet, suppose this is your drawing sheet. Just a minute. Oh, sorry. This is your drawing sheet. So here you will have one isometric view of your assembly. Okay. Then you can take a top view, front view. Okay. Let's cancel this one. Undo. Here we will keep one assembly isometric view. Then here you can show the front view, top view. This is front view. This is top view. If you want to show, you can show the side view as well. Okay. Now you want to show the sections. On this, you can put some sections like this. Okay. So for this view, for this section, see, we are not completed this section. Okay. For this side section, the view will be on this side. Section cut like this. For this one, this view will be over here. You can put over here, otherwise you can just move the view, no issue. You can keep like this. It is not mandatory that your section cut should be in line with the views, not mandatory, okay? But your side view, top view, front view, try to keep it in one line. So this will be your ISO view. ISO view means isometric view, okay? Now on second sheet, what you can do, you can add exploded view. If you want to add on the first sheet, no issue. Exploded view will be something like this. This will be your first part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part. You can show like this. if suppose if you are assembling this part from top side, you can move this upside. This is also going to assemble in this direction. This is going to assemble in this direction, no issue. You can just move this in y direction, which are the component which are going to assemble in y direction, no issue. After this, you will have to create a BOM. BOM means not a BOM. You will have to add one table in which you will have a column for the series, and you will have the second one for the name of part. You will have to add balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There will be 6 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what is the use of these balloons? This 6 number will be over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here will be the name of the parts. Got it? Yes or no? Sir, then what is the use of balloon? In balloon, you will mention only numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So whoever is reading the drawing will check, okay, this is part number 3. He will check in this one. Okay, what is the name of part 3? Here it will be screw, it will be something extra plastic part, top plastic, bottom plastic, any plastic, okay? So this is creation of balloons. This will be the list of components, and this will be the table. Here will the isometric view of completely assembled subassembly. Okay, here will be the title block where you will mention your angle, in which angle you are working, first angle, third angle. Here will be the name of the part, the number, part number. Here will be the part number, like this. Okay, so Jayant, we have not covered the drawing topics, okay? Just we have started, okay? We have started, but we will have to complete this one. So जब complete करेंगे तब आपको पता चलेगा कि क्या है क्या नहीं उसमें, okay? हम्म 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 सी फ्रॉम वेयर, हाँ, सो कट कहाँ से करना है? कट वहाँ से ही करना है जहाँ पे आपके क्रिटिकल कंडीशंस है, जहाँ पे आपको गैप एंड फ्लश मेंटेन करना है, ओके? अननेसेसरी 100 सेक्शंस नहीं लेना है, ओनली क्रिटिकल एंड मैंडेटरी डायमेंशंस जहाँ पे मेंटेन करने हैं वहाँ पे सिर्फ सेक्शंस लेने हैं, ओके? where let's say you have part A, B, C, D, you have 4 parts. आपको B and C के बाउंड्री पे 2 mm का डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करना है, ओके? For 2 mm you will keep some tolerance of plus minus 0.5, okay? So you will take the section, let's say take the section in front view. यहाँ पे आप हमारा front view है. See, this is the front view, okay? Let's take a section. इसका view इधर मिलेगा आपको, और section में दोनों तीनों पार्ट्स दिखेंगे. वहाँ पे आप डायमेंशन मेंशन कर सकते हो कि मुझे यहाँ पे ये बॉर्डर पे बिटवीन दिस टू पार्ट आई वांट 2 mm प्लस माइनस 0.5 mm टॉलरेंस. दैट्स इट. हम्म हम्म depends what is your requirement. Okay, see 0.5 is common, 0.23 is common, okay? हम्म सी जब तक प्रैक्टिकल नहीं देखते ना तब तक ऐसे नहीं बता सकते, okay? So practically if we take one assembly, in that one we can check, Okay. See why we are not focused on drawing, because for design test it is not mandatory. Yes, but if you are working on project, then yes, depending on situation, design knowledge लगेगा. Okay. So that's why we have started our designing means ड्राइंग का पार्ट हमने शुरू कर दिया ड्राइंग टॉपिक्स, बट फॉर सम रीज़न लास्ट वीक में हमने सेशंस नहीं लिए हैं, बट फ्रॉम टुमारो वी विल कंटिन्यू द सेम टॉपिक्स. ओके जयंत, इन दैट यू विल गेट आइडिया. हम्म हम्म yes yes yes, no issue. Okay, so let's start. See, can you see my screen now? Yes, is it visible? Yes sir. Okay, now here you can see Ganesh, as per your request, this is a backrest. Okay. Okay, so if I take, so first requirement is here we have structure. On the left side window we have structure. Where is the fit all in? This one. Can you see the structure? Yes. Now what we will do, let's copy the structure and the style in one product. Windows vertical like this. File, new, take a product. Okay. Again Windows vertical. Copy the structure. Right click copy. Right click paste. Right click copy the style. Right click paste the style. Okay, fit all in again. What is the issue? Why it is not working quickly? Side, fit all in is not working. नहीं. We have taken the product. Sorry. हाँ, fit all in. See, click on fit all in. It is not working. Why? It is a product. Inside that product we have two parts. No, fit all in means all 3D will be in, all complete 3D. Yes, complete 3D will be fit in my screen. So why it is not visible? Because we will have to right click on the product, go to representation and say activate terminal node. Okay. See, now it will work. Fit all in. Okay. Again right click. If I want, see, if you want to put both parts in design mode, you can just right click component and so representation say design mode. Okay, now here you can see design mode. See, if you put your part in design mode, you can edit the sketch, you can edit any commands. If it is not in design mode, you can't edit it. Okay, you can't work on it. Okay, now tell me the structure and the style, the position is okay or not okay? Quickly. Not okay. So what we will have to do? Yes, Ganesh, others, how we can align? No manipulation. Quickly. Rajat, See, first of all, do you know what? Yes, Raja. Hmm? So we don't have the second structure. We have only one structure over here, and the style is here right now. And Raja, it is not mandatory that structures should be same. Yes, the basic structure should be same, but tell me the features what you have in your driver seat. Is it mandatory that it should be available in passenger seat? Let's say height adjuster. Is it mandatory that passengers should have the height adjuster feature? Required? No. Otherwise, cost will increase. Height adjuster is mandatory or means mostly useful for driver. Okay, so basic structure, yes, the basic structure will be same for both passenger and driver, but the some elements like height adjuster and other levers mechanisms will be available only in driver. Okay, okay, okay. So let me explain. So what is this? Let me explain to beginners. So what is this point and this access system? Okay, Rajat, Said, please focus. Okay, top view. This is top view. Okay. And sir, now where is the absolute access system? Let's check where is the absolute access system. Right click, add a add a new part. Right click, component, a new part. Click on yes. Can you see? Inside new part we have 00 access system, yes or no? This is our new part. Yes or no? Okay. So this is our absolute access system. Sir, so suppose if we are working in any file and in that file we don't have the absolute access system, what you will do? What you will do? Ganesh, if you don't, yeah, see, delete. See, we don't have any access system in this part. Okay, right click, open in new window. In hide and show, can you see? Do you have any access system? Absolute access system? Said, Rajat. Okay, sorry. Subhajit, this is here. Chinmay, Jain, Ganesh, Raja, Rajat, Said, Suyog. Okay. Yes. Now tell me, absolute access system available है कि नहीं है ये फाइल में? नहीं है. Okay. So how to create one absolute access system? And so what is the purpose of absolute access system? Let me explain. First, go to our product window. This is my product window. Double click, maximize the window. Click on Z. Click on Z. Here you can see, so 2 points we have. Let's draw some rough sketch. See, this is the front axle of the car. This is your front wheel. This is your front wheel. Here will be the second row, okay, and here will be the doors. Yes or no? Tell me. Door will be here. Agree? Any doubt? This is a front view. Car view is on this side, okay, and Let's say here we have steering. Here is the steering. Okay. Now, so what is absolute axis system? The center of the front axle, let's say this one, will be the absolute axis system, which is 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now, so what is this 2 point then? These 2 points are H point. What is H point? Quickly. What is the full form of H point? H point. R point. Quickly. Side, any doubt? Others? Here will be the front portion of the car. The front shield will be something like this. Yes or no? Here will be the headlamps. If we check from the top view. What happened? Just a minute. So, here, what is this H point and R point? Quickly. The H point is a hip point. Said, Rajat, what is H point? Hip point. And R point is reference point. Okay. So then what is H point and R point? Is it common? No. Both are not common. Okay. So what is R point? R point, please focus, okay? Please focus. See, this is your backrest. This is your cushion. Okay. And we have some motions in our seat. We have some motions in our seat. Okay. Tell me, what is this point? Red point. Red point is your R point and H point. Okay. Now tell me the direction. This will be which axis? Quickly. No, Z. This will be which axis? From top side. If we check from top side, first one will be perfect. Second will be perfect. And where will be the Z axis? Normal to my screen. Yes or no? Okay, normal to my screen means this upside is our Z. Agree? This will be Z. And this will be, quickly, this direction will be. अभी आपने बताया शायद. Perfect. Which one? What do you think? ये क्या है? ये जो व्यू दिख रहा है आपको, ये व्यू कौन सा व्यू है? टॉप व्यू है, फ्रंट व्यू है, साइड व्यू है? दिस इज टॉप व्यू, करेक्ट? सो आप सीट को ऊपर से देख रहे हैं, कार को ऊपर से देख रहे हैं. So this will be Z view, normal to seat, upside. And this one will be which axis? No, Y. Why it will be X, Rajat? This one? Perfect. This will be your X. Clear everyone? Yes or no? See, now tell me in this view Y कहाँ पे रहेगा? Normal to my screen. Perfect. So let's consider this is our Y. Okay. Now tell me, what is track length adjustment? Seat का front move. Yes, to and fro. So in which directions it will move? Y डायरेक्शन में कैसे मूव होगा सुयोग? ओनली इन एक्स. Y में नहीं मूव हो सकता है. ओके, पर्फ. यस, परफेक्ट साइड. ओके, सो साइड, रजत, एवरीवन, okay, from today you should know, if you are sitting inside a car, you should know which is the your Y direction, which is your X direction, and which is your Z direction. Clear? Okay, so in all project it will be same, कभी चेंज नहीं होने वाला. ओके, यस साइड. Yes, H point is our hip point and R point is our reference point. Okay. Now, Said, we have not discussed what is H point and R point. Okay. Right now I will explain. So, see, this is an interview question. Okay. You can note it down. आज जो भी discussion होगा, note कर लीजिए. Now, this is your H point and R point. Okay. What is this axis? Quickly, this green axis is your absolute axis system. What is absolute axis system? What is the coordinate of absolute axis system? Perfect. 0, 0, 0. What is this 0, 0, 0? Side? Perfect. Origin. Coordinate means x coordinate 0, y coordinate 0, z coordinate 0. Okay. So, sir, what will the coordinate of this point? Tell me. ये point के coordinate क्या रहेगा? It will be okay. It will be something like this. This will be your this will be your y coordinate, this will be your x coordinate, and upside like this will be the z coordinate. Like this, z will be, it can be positive or negative. Okay, we will discuss. Okay, but we will have some coordinate for this point. Okay, let's say x, y, z. Let's say the coordinate is x. See, this is a minus negative, so let's keep it as minus y. Okay, and z. Clear? What will the coordinate for this point? Quickly. What will the coordinate for this point? For this side, x. Hmm. Hmm. Y should be positive or negative? perfect, and z will remain as it is. X and z will remain as it is, just y will be minus y and plus y. Any doubt? Rajat, others, Suyog, clear, everyone? Okay. See, if you want to work on any interior, exterior or sit-in project, this is very common topic. क्योंकि अगर डिजाइनर आपके साथ बात करेगा, if client want to discuss with you, he will discuss in this language only. He will use the word coordinates, h point, r point. Okay. What is outboard and inboard? Quickly. Quickly. What is outboard and inboard? Quickly. Rajat, Ganesh.
Inboard means towards center line,
Perfect.
and outboard means away from the center line.
Simple. Yes. Inboard means toward the center plane of absolute axis system. Okay. Ganesh.
Yes, sir.
See. Everyone, please focus. This is your center plane of your absolute axis system. Agree? Yes or no? Yes or no? Quickly. Okay. See, this is a plane passing through the absolute axis system. Now, tell me, this is a driver or passenger side? Driver side. So, tell me, this side will be inboard or outboard? This side be inboard or outboard? This, the first one will be inboard. Quickly, please focus, okay, everyone. First one will be the inboard. The second one will be the outboard. Any doubt? This is your absolute axis system. इसका center plane will be the center line of your car. Okay, center plane. So let's say Said, you are the driver. Okay, you're seated on this seat. So center plane, the center plane means the x and z plane, xz plane of absolute axis system. Yes, because this is your y. Can you imagine? Okay, so tell me, you have the central console. Okay, now you are working on central console. Let's say this is your central console and this is your gearbox over here. Tell me, it is inside, it will be between two seats, driver and passenger. Perfect. Okay, so this side will be your inboard side and this side will be your outboard side. Simple है, डोर के साइड में जो कुछ भी रहेगा वो आउटबोर्ड साइड रहेगा, सेंटर कंसोल के साइड जो कुछ रहेगा वो इनबोर्ड साइड. रजत क्लियर, राजा, चिन्मय, एवरीवन ओके. सी, ये जो कुछ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं ये प्रोजेक्ट रिलेटेड है, क्योंकि यहाँ से ये वर्ड हम डेली यूज करेंगे. कौन सा भी प्रोजेक्ट रहा, डैशबोर्ड, सेंटर कंसोल, डोर पैनल, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, sitting as well. Okay, so we will use this word inboard and outboard. Clear? For the passenger, tell me which will be your inboard? Perfect. Clear, simple and clear. सर जो भी ड्राइवर साइड का है उसका अपोजिट रहेगा पैसेंजर के लिए. राइट साइड विल बी, सी लेट्स से Ganesh is sitting on this seat, so it is passenger seat. So tell me, right hand or left hand, which will be inboard? Right hand of Ganesh will be inboard, left hand should be outboard. क्लियर है? कुछ डाउट है? राजा, See, for advanced batch, I think all topics are clear. Okay, थोड़ा रिवीजन हो रहा है उनका इंटरव्यू का भी, नो इशू. Rajat, Deepak, any doubt? Shall we proceed? Said? Okay. Next topic. So then what is this H point and R point? अभी आपने H point और R point के मुझे coordinates बताइए, yes or no? From absolute axis system, x minus y z, x y z, yes or no? So let's write it down. Over here, the coordinate of sir, ये coordinate, the coordinate of this point will be x. Is there any background noise from my side? Okay. Okay, x plus minus y and z. So plus minus y cube. It will be a common, it will be, see this is, what is this? This is my side view. Side view है, but in which axis? Y axis, yes or no? Y axis का व्यू है ये, तो मुझे ये दोनों पॉइंट कोइंसाइड दिखेंगे y साइड से अगर मैं चेक किया तो, from this side. So let's consider x plus minus y z. So these are the coordinate of h point and r point. Clear? Now, so what is the difference of h point and r point? This is your interview question. Okay, this is your interview question. Yes, Raja, can you tell me what is the difference between r point and h point? According to occupant or according to what? Sitting position means? Hmm. Okay. And what is the use of R point then? Perfect, with respect to the absolute axis system. Good. So what is the use of R point? Reference of what? Absolute? Okay, good. Said. Ganesh? What, when you will use the R point? What is the purpose of R point? Perfect. Good. It defines the position of set with respect to BRW. Okay. It is, what is R point? It is a point which will define the position of seat inside the car. Okay. Okay, Said, Rajat, Ganesh, others, clear? Okay. And what is the H point? Let's discuss first R point. See, let me take this screenshot first. Let me show you one video. Okay, let me show you one video. Is it visible? Can you see? Inside car, the robot is assembling the complete seat on BIW. See? Can you see this towel bar? Okay. So how? So what is the reference position? How this robot is assembling the complete seat inside a car? What is the position? The position of seat inside the car means R point. Got it? The position of position of seat inside a car is R point, means reference point. Then, sir, what is H point? Now, as Raja mentioned, okay, let me delete everything. See, now tell me, again I will draw the same thing. This is your track. This is your seat. Now this time what happened? Now seat is your seat is moved frontward. Sorry, I want to use blue color. Now your seat is moved frontward. Also it has moved upside. Tell me the link will be something like this now. This should be erased. The track is moved now over here. Okay, and this is your new position. Okay, now tell me which point is moved. Yes, here is the point and here is the point. Quickly, which point is moved now? Rajat, Said, others. Which point is moved and which point is fixed? Quickly. See, this is your track. Okay, tracks. Now your seat is moved frontward and upside. So previously you had one point over here. Now you have 2 points. So which is moved and which is fixed point? And which is H point and which is R point? Sorry, Rajat? Which one? Center means which one? This one? This will be R point and this will be H point. Okay, R. Others? Ganesh? Rajat? Chinmay? Which one? Which is fixed? See, this point is here. Let me change color, sorry. We have this point. We have this point. So now tell me which is moved and which is fixed. What do you think? See, okay. See what is happening. If let's say the driver height, the height of the driver is let's say 4.5 feet. Tell me, he will adjust the seat, yes or no? He will adjust the seat. Tell me, will he raise the height or he will reduce the height of the seat? Raise the height. ओके, वो सीट पीछे लेगा कि आगे लेगा ट्रैक लेंथ में? ओके, so this is the condition, yes or no? We have moved our seat frontward and upside, yes or no? So sir, what is, so that person we will call it as mannequin. What is this? What is this? This is mannequin. Okay, and this point will be the H point. Got it? Rajat, others, tell me, आपने सीट मूव किया क्या? Did you move the seat? Did you move the seat? Seat is fixed. Seat is fixed on BRW. Okay, on the structure, seat is fixed. What you have done? You have operated the mechanism. You have applied some motion of seat. That's why your position is changed now. Okay, this is for 4.5 height person. Now tell me, if the height is, let's say, 6.5, what you will do? What you will do? This is 4.5. अगर height 6.5 है, what you will do? He will move the seat downside and rear side, yes or no? अदरवाइज उसके जो नी है, यहाँ पे नी पोर्शन जो है यहाँ का, वो डैशबोर्ड को लगेगा. यस, उसको अंदर बाहर आने के लिए भी स्पेस चाहिए थोड़ा, स्टेयरिंग को पैर लगे नहीं तो. ओके, यस, perfect. So the new H point will be something like this. It will be over here, yes or no? What do you think? Yes. So if I draw the new position will be something will be over here and here. Agree? This will be the headrest. Everyone agree, yes or no? Okay. Now, sir, tell me, in three positions, now we have three positions for the smaller candidate, for the medium candidate, and for the taller candidate. Tell me, which point is fixed and and which point is moving? No. In all three conditions, we have 2 points side. We have R point, we have H point. In all three conditions, R point is and H point. H point is yes. According to height of person, according to the kinematics of the seat, mechanism of the seat. Okay, so the zone in which, again this is interview question, okay, please keep in mind, the zone in which your seat, your H point will move, okay, we will call it as travel box. Yes. Is it clear what is travel box? Yes. See, Said, it is not the highest and the lowest point, okay? The person, driver. Comfortable, yes. According to the occupant, not according to occupant. According to the kinematics of seat, the mechanism of seat, the possibilities of the H point in which it can move, okay? That box, that zone, we will call it as travel box. No, no. It is no. It depends. No, depends on the mechanism. Depending on the mechanism of the seat. हर एक सीट में कुछ तो भी डिफरेंट रहेगा. सॉरी, नहीं नहीं नहीं, डिपेंड्स ऑन द मैकेनिज्म. Clear everyone? Any doubt? Quickly. Perfect. Okay, we have one request on YouTube chat. Hi sir, whenever you get time, I request you to make a video on license use in CATIA V5 and use them, and also use of macro in CATIA V5. Okay, okay. See, macro will be something like power copy. Okay, you can save the power copy and you can call it from macros. Here you can see the library, this one, catalog browser. Otherwise, insert, here you can see tool macro. From here you can run. But mostly the developer who develops the tool for the CATIA, they develop this tool in VBA. Okay, Visual Basic, a coding language we can say it. So we don't have any knowledge of Visual Basic because it is not our domain how to develop the tool. But if you want to develop any 3D and if you want to, okay, sir, I want to use this 3D in many projects. I want to use this nearly 8 to 10 times. So for that, you can use Power Copy. You can save your template in catalog. Here is the catalog. Then you can call it from here in your work. Okay. And we have different licenses. Yes, we have GSD, we have kin license, we have others license. See, we have so many license. Okay, we have so many license in tools options. So from where we can check the license? Go to tools option. Can you see this? In tool option, general shareable product, these are the license. Okay, here you will find some GSD. Just go sequence by sequence. Can you see GSD 1 2? Here is one GSD. If you want to work on kinematics, you will need kin license. See, DMU kinematics stimulator. Okay, so sir, do we have to learn all this license? No. Only for now we will use GSD and we will use kin. Okay. For kinematics, if you want to build some kinematics, we will use kin. If you want to work on GSD, means generative shape design surfacing, you will use GSD. Okay. Coming back to our discussion, this one. Okay, so what is this box? Quickly, what is this box? Let's revise. Quickly. Travel box. What is the purpose of travel box? What is, how you will define the travel box? What is the definition of travel box? Quickly, ऐसे एक सेकंड में रिप्लाई आना चाहिए. Sorry, please repeat, Ganesh. At what extent? Okay. So on which it will depend? Perfect. And which point will be fixed? What is the purpose of R point? To locate the seat inside BIW, okay, inside a car. And what is the purpose of H point? What is the, okay, tell me between which component R point will show the relation? Between which components or let's say elements? Okay, let me tell you the answer. the relation of BRW and the relation of seat will define by R point. Clear? Yes or no? The relation of BRW with the seat will be defined by R point. Yes or no? Clear? Raja, others? And what H point will define? Same answer. Perfect. Perfect. Excellent. क्लियर है नहीं है? क्लियर है? यस नो? सॉरी, नहीं, क्या क्वेश्चन है आपका? BRW क्या? नो नो, नहीं, उसका टॉपिक क्यों चाहिए लेकिन? ओके ओके, BRW नहीं पता। ओके सर, ओके। Can you see this one, this image? This is BRW, body in white. Okay. Yes, so if you check here, you will have some pillars on this. Can you see? You have some holes, some pockets. Same door panel पे भी रहेंगे for the assembly purpose. Okay. So BRW का relation with respect to the set will be represented by R point, and the occupant, where is our sketch? This one. Occupant and the set relation will be defined by H point. Means H point will be common in occupant and set, and R point will be common in BRW and set. Clear? Perfect. Occupant को हम क्या बोलेंगे डिजाइन में? Mannequin. Okay, what is this? This occupant we will call it as mannequin. Okay. So what is mannequin? Sorry, frame? हाँ, कौन सा फ्रेम बोल रहे हो आप? एक्सेल? डोंट नो आप क्या बोल रहे हो, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है मुझे। BIW पे स्ट्रक्चर, यस, BIW स्ट्रक्चर ही तो है, मेटल स्ट्रक्चर, यस। डोंट नो। ओके ओके, डोंट नो क्या बोलते थे। ओके, सो दिस इज अ मैनिकिन। कैन यू सी दिस? these are mannequins. Okay. Okay. So mannequin is clear, H point is clear, R point is also clear. Okay. Now here you can see This is style and this is structure. And what is our task? Now the task is you have to consider this style and you have to create a form with respect to this structure. Now the blocking point, first blocking point is, sir, the position of style and the position of structure is not okay. Yes, both are not okay. So what is our first task? You will have to locate this style on the structure, or you will have to locate the structure on the style. So logically which will be the good one? लॉजिकली क्या बराबर है? स्टाइल आप वहां पे लेके जाओगे स्ट्रक्चर पे, क्या स्ट्रक्चर स्टाइल के यहाँ लाओगे? ओके, सी लॉजिकली, ओके, सो लॉजिकली जो स्टाइल जब क्रिएट होता है, द स्टाइलर टीम, द स्टाइलिंग टीम, whenever create this style, they will create on the edge point. Okay, they will consider the edge point and they will generate this surface. Okay, so whatever you have this style, you will not move the style. Okay, so while working on project, if you have the structure, you should have two different structure for the passenger as well as the driver. Clear, yes or no? Okay, now let's say the style is same. The in as per input, sir, I, I have received the input, I have to use same style for driver as well as passenger. So in that case, you can just move this style over here. Otherwise, if in input, if they are not mentioned that you have to use the common style for both driver and passenger seat, you will have to ask for the new style for the driver, and this will be for passenger, and again you will require the passenger side seat structure. Clear? Is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? रजत शायद क्लियर है. सी सो व्हाई स्टाइल क्यों चेंज होगा फॉर ड्राइवर एंड पैसेंजर? Yes, because in driver seat we have so many comfort and other things, the kinematics, massager and all, hitting mat and all. Yes, even though, yes, even though on the backrest mostly यहाँ पे एक airbag भी रहता है. This is a sorry, टूल का बहुत इशू है. On this side mostly we have the airbag model. Okay, on the outboard side. Why? Because यहाँ पे mirror window रहता है. Yes or no? This is door. Okay, so on this side we will have one airbag. Okay, now tell me, airbag will be deployed like this, yes or no? So let's assume that we have one style over here. यहाँ पे एक style है. We have style over here. Okay, so airbag deploy हो रहा है. Airbag का model is on the structure. So tell me, we will need one cutout in our foam, backrest foam here. यहाँ पे एक cutout लगेगा जहाँ से बैग बाहर आएगा, airbag. Yes or no? So tell me, can you use same foam on this side? Yes or no? Why no? Airbag extra नहीं. We will need airbag from this side, yes or no? Outboard side for the passenger. This is driver, so this is outboard side. So we can't use same form on both side. Okay, but yes, see ये जो है कटआउट डालना वगैरह ये जो बैक साइड से जो कुछ रहेगा, दिस इज अवर पार्ट, इंजीनियरिंग पार्ट. बट फॉर स्टाइल वी कैन यूज इट, yes or no? Yes or no? In style they will not add any cutout. Why? Because it is a technical portion, we will have to add cutout. The styling team will not add any cutout. Clear? It is a technical portion, so we will have to modify. डिस्कस करेंगे कि कैसे मॉडिफाई करते हो. ओके, सीट में एयर बैग रहता है ना फ्रॉम डोर साइड. यस, नहीं देखा है कभी? यस, सी दिख रहा है. यस यस यस, डिपेंड कितना प्रीमियम कार परचेस कर रहे हो उस पर डिपेंड है. सी, कैन यू सी दिस इमेज? यहाँ पे कैन यू सी फ्रॉम द आउटबोर्ड वी हैव द एयर बैग, ऑल्सो ऑन द विंडोज एंड द डोर पैनल्स वी हैव द एयर बैग. सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन द प्रीमियम कौन से सेगमेंट के कार आप परचेस कर रहे हो. सी, फ्रंट एयर बैग, सीट का एयर बैग, डोर पैनल एयर बैग्स. ओके, जितने भी इमेज दिख रहे हैं सब प्रीमियम है यहाँ पे. सी, क्लियर दिख रहा है? यहाँ पे दिख रहा है स्टाइल को कैसे कट करके बाहर निकला है एयर बैग. सी, ओके, क्लियर. ओके, बट नाउ टेल मी, अगर if you're working on both driver and passenger, tell me, can you use this common style? Is it possible? Is it possible? Can you side, no background noise please. Is it possible to use common style? Ganesh, Raja, others, you can use the common style. Just now we discuss जो cutout रहेगा you can add it. See, we can use the style but we can't use the foam. Clear? Yes or no? See, we have the style. Let's say, click on Y, X. See, let's say we have this style. What I will do, let's copy this style. Right click on the product, paste it. I have 2 copies now. What happened? Right click, copy. Right click, paste. Yeah, I have 2 style. This is the first one, this is the second one. Let's hide the first one. Let's move this style over here. So how to move? Simple. Snap this axis system on. See, आपको axis system select करते वक्त same axis system select करना है. You can't select this axis system with this blue one. See, समझ में आ रहा है क्या हो गया? Yes or no? Depending on the orientation of your axis system, target axis system, the orientation will change. So undo. First you will have to check, sir यहाँ पे axis system ऐसा है. If I click on Y, see, in this file I have axis system like this: Z, X and normal to screen Y. On this structure, if I click on the structure, okay sir, I have 2 axis system. One is this one and second one is this one. So कौन सी axis system use करना पड़ेगा? Which axis system I will have to use? This white and this white for the location. So while working on snap, click on the snap. पहले सोचना है, you will have to think what you have to do now. Sir, should I move this style on the structure or should I move structure on the style? For this project, let's consider we will use the same style for this side seat. So what we'll do? Yes, perfect, side. Yes, side. Yes, if we have different style, then we will use the different one, no issue. Okay, so this time let's fix the structure. So how to fix? Select the structure, click on fix. Done. See, in constant you will find one fix. Can you see front seat structure backrest? Right click, hide it. Done. Any doubt? Yes, no? No. Perfect. Now, what we discuss, sir, seat को fix रहने देते. We will move the style on the structure. So, tell me, in snap command, selection कैसा रहेगा? What will the sequence of selection? Rajat, other Chinmay. Perfect. Why, Said? Perfect, perfect. Activate the snap, select the axis of the style and कौन सा axis select करना पड़ेगा? Blue की white? White one or blue one? White. Click on it. Now tell me, is it perfectly fixed? Yes or no? Any doubt, any issue? Done? Yes, no? Now let's fix both. Select this style, make it fix. Hide this one. Done? Any doubt? ये तो ओरिजिनल था हमारा, हमने जस्ट कॉपी करके रख दिया था और जो नया कॉपी किया था वो हमने यहाँ से यहाँ पे मूव कर दिया विद रिस्पेक्ट टू स्ट्रक्चर. नाउ अभी इसका हमें काम नहीं है, इसको हाइड करके रखते हैं. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट अवर प्रोजेक्ट, वी विल स्टार्ट अवर सरफेसिंग ऑन दिस स्टाइल. इज इट क्लियर? ऐसा कुछ नहीं, इफ यू डोंट वांट जस्ट डिलीट इट, डिलीट, नो इशू. वैसे भी कुछ काम नहीं है उसका. क्लियर? इतना क्लियर है हाउ टू स्टार्ट, व्हाट आर द बेसिक फंडामेंटल. कहाँ पे गए अपने फंडामेंटल? दिस वन, बेसिक फंडामेंटल्स. सर perfect. Now sir, I want absolute access system. I want to check what is the coordinate of my seat. Sir, how to check? बताइए. What is the process? Quickly. Quickly. I want one absolute access system. Quickly. Sorry? हाँ लेकिन वेयर इज द सेंटर लाइन हमारे पास नहीं है अभी. दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, कहाँ पे? यस रजत, इंसर्ट, राइट क्लिक, परफेक्ट, कंपोनेंट, न्यू पार्ट. यस, यहाँ पे जैसे न्यू पार्ट आप ऐड करते हो, इट इज empty part. Okay, it is an empty part, but we will have an absolute access system. यहाँ पे दिख रहा है. Okay, now sir, I want this access system inside my styling part. This is my styling part. Yes or no? STO style input. Okay, sir, इसको क्या क्या कहते हैं? What is the naming convention for this one? Some companies, some OEM, some MNCs will call it as Stark, STARK. Someone will call it as style. Someone will call it as STO. Clear? Depending on country to country. Okay, नेमिंग कन्वेंशन चेंज होगा. कोई स्टार्क बोलेगा, कोई एसटीओ बोलेंगे, नो इशू. आपको समझ लेना है. ओके, स्टार्क मीन्स एसटीओ. Okay, style means STO. Now we have inserted a new part. We got one access system. Now sir, I want this access system inside my file, this file. So double click, activate your part, this one, double click on it. Where is this access system? Right click, center graph. Here is my access system. Can you see absolute access system? Right click, copy. Double click on this one. Where is the style? This one. Backrest style. Double click on it. So it is in blue color, means it is activated. You will have to double click. Right click, paste special. As a result, click OK. Any doubt? See, expand this one. We got a new access system 2, which is our absolute access system. Yes or no? Yes or no? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let's hide this part 1. See, click on your star style. Can you see? हमारे स्टाइल में अभी एक एक्सेस सिस्टम यहाँ पे है, दूसरे सिस्टम एक्सेस सिस्टम यहाँ पे. इफ इट इज नॉट विजिबल, जस्ट राइट क्लिक ऑन द स्टार, इंसर्ट लास्ट ऑप्शन, ओपन इन न्यू विंडो. दूसरे विंडो में ओपन करके देखते हैं कितना एक्सेस सिस्टम है. तो क्लिक ऑन इट. ओके, दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे 2 एक्सेस सिस्टम नाउ. सी, yes or no? Yes or no? So this is our H point with access system, and this is our absolute access system. Sir, what if in our file I don't have this access system? Let's say हमारे पास ये access system है ही नहीं और ना ही ये access system है. Let's delete both access system. अभी क्या करें? Okay. Or, and in addition to this, sir, we don't have this position, we have manipulation Y. Now sir, what should I do? Delete this fix. Now in this case, what you can do quickly, we don't have any access system, but we have H point, we don't have absolute access system. Any logic? I want to position this style on this structure. What you will do? Quickly. Quickly.
I will create one access system.
Where? Let's delete this one. Tell me from first step. Quickly. Last point hai, then we will close the session. We'll connect tomorrow. Last point. Tell me, how will you create the access system? अभी हमने किया, just now we did.
Right click components.
Perfect. Product or part?
New part.
New part. Then
Go to part 2.
part 2. Double click, right click, center graph, right click, copy. Then
Go to product. Page special.
product, paste special what? Where? Where?
In style.
Okay, in BACKREST style. Double click on it, right click, paste special as a result. Okay, then we got one access system, which is absolute access system. Then no background noise side. Then others, क्या कर रहे बाकी? सुभजीत, सचिन, चिन्मय, what are you doing? एक कुछ भी नहीं. सचिन, चिन्मय, सुभजीत. I think Subhajit is in office. Chinmay, Sachin. Quickly, next step, quickly. See, open this style in new window. Okay. See, we have absolute access system, yes or no? यही लाया था हमने एक्सेस सिस्टम 3 जो कॉपी पेस्ट स्पेशल एज रिजल्ट किया था. Yes, we have H point. Can we create one access system? Before creating access system, make this access system as a current. Okay, because this is our absolute axis system. Then insert one axis system on this point. Click OK. Any doubt? Yes or no? No. Control S, save the file. Now Control Tab to switch the window from part to assembly. Control Tab. I'm in product now. Assembly. Okay. Double click on the product. Now, can I repeat the same command? Snap this axis on this one. Tell me, can I hide this axis? Yes or no? अभी हमने स्टाइल यहाँ से इधर मूव किया तो ये एक्सिस भी यहाँ से मूव होगा, एक ही इसमें है तो, एक ही फाइल में तो. यस, यू कैन हाइड दिस. डन. एनी डाउट? Yes or no? Quickly. Select the style, activate the product, double click on it, select the style, fix it. Clear? If you don't have any axis system and only if you have the H point, can you create one axis system with respect to absolute axis system? Yes or no? And what if you don't have the axis system in structure as well? Structure में भी axis system नहीं है. What you will do? You have the structure, you have the style, but you don't have the axis system. What you will do? Quickly. Quickly. Okay then. कैसे create करोगे गणेश? How will you create? With same process? हाँ, simple. Then you will repeat the process, same process for structure as well as the style. You will insert a new axis system on each point of both the structure as well as style. Then you will just snap from style to structure. Okay? Clear everyone? इतना दिमाग लगाना है. Clear, yes or no? नहीं. Okay. Good question, Ganesh. Sir, what if we don't have any H point? So in that case, your client will share the coordinate 300 minus 450 comma 268 like this. Clear? Now tell me, you have the H point? This will be in your presentation. Ganesh, clear? Everyone? Yes. Now, what you will do, if you receive the coordinate, what you will do first? Simple. Simple, we will create the H point with respect to absolute axis system. मतलब आप 0 0 0 से you will create 300 minus 450 268 का एक point you will create. On that point, what you will do? You will create the axis system. You will insert the axis system. Same you will do for the style. Because for the structure and for the style, the R point, H point will be same initially. Okay? Ganesh, clear? Yes, sir. Perfect. So for today, let's stop. Good. Yes, Chinmay, good evening. अभी तक कहाँ थे आप? Okay.
सर मैं जब भी कैटिया पे एक्सेस सिस्टम लेता हूँ वो ज्योमेट्रिकल सेट में जा रहा है सर.
Okay. Okay, no issue. So let's do one thing. Just connect tomorrow at 8 p.m. Okay. So before starting our session, before starting our discussion, we will check what is the setting. Okay. Good. Any other point? See, depending on your speed and understanding. Okay. See, at least we will need 10 sessions. Yes, yes. Basic, yes, I think in next session again we will discuss little bit the basic, and also we'll start basic of our design. Yes, design. We will 3D work. We will start. Okay, so now in our sharing group, I will share the files. Okay, please don't wait for anyone. Start your work and be aligned. Okay, same thing. Yes, yes. Or let's do one thing. Stop भी नहीं हो रहा, क्या हो रहा है? Okay, let's do one thing. I will delete this access system. Okay, आप आपके साइड से ट्राई कीजिए बनाने का. Okay, let me open this one. Let me delete this access system and create the access system by your own. Delete. Enter. You have the H point. Save. Structure. Let's delete this as well. Double click, then delete. Select this one. Let's delete this one. Okay, and let's hide this one. Control S, save the file. Now you have two files in which there is no access system. I will share this file with you. Just a minute. Refresh, refresh. I will share this file with you. Okay. Please check. Did you receive the file? First one. Okay. Let me delete this one. ये delete कैसे होगा? Delete. Delete. No. Delete for me. Delete for everyone. शायद आपको कितने फाइल रिसीव हुए? एक ही हुआ ना? दो कॉपीज आए. ओके. सो ये 192 MB का है, तो थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. ओके. ओके, एनी डाउट? यस, नो? हाउस द सेशन? स्टार्ट ऑफ डे 1 प्रोजेक्ट डे 1. यस, अच्छा डिस्कशन था. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टॉप. आई थिंक within 5 minutes you, okay, within 1 minute you will receive the file. Okay, please start and share the screenshot. Okay, if you got, means if you are inserted the access system and done with the snap, share the screenshot. Okay, shall we stop? Clear? Yes, no? Okay, then let's stop. And from tomorrow, okay, कैसे, मतलब क्या करना है? 8 से 9 में प्रोजेक्ट करना है, 9 से 10 में ड्राइंग्स करने हैं, कि पूरा प्रोजेक्ट ही करना है? टेल मी. राजा. Okay. Okay, no issue. So let's keep like this. 8 to 9 will be the project and 9 to 10 will be drawings. Okay, clear? Okay then. Let's connect in next session. Okay, thank you. Bye. Good night. Good night all. Bye.
Good night, sir.